now I'm plugged right into the amp. I don't really have a great recording setup, so I hope this doesn't clip a bunch. There's a little bit of distortion. That's just kind of how the amp sounds. It sounds good though. So don't be bothered by that. This amp is about bedroom volume. It's 1 in the morning here, so this isn't like super loud. So you could, and I have both coils on, so there's no pickup noise. So here's the pickup noise. I don't even know if it'll pick up on the microphone. It's really quiet. Like, I'll turn it up. There's a little bit of hum, so this amp is quiet and this space is quiet. I doubt you could even hear it. Alright, now I'm going to turn down the master and plug into the dock. Okay, so now I'm going to turn back up to the volume I was at. And I'm not sure if that picks up, but right now I have it set on the pedal set to where it was decently loud, the carrier signal. It's a little bit louder than the pickup hum. So here's me playing without the pedal. It's a little loud to my ears since I'm right in front of the cab. The cab is right here. I know you can't see it on the video. So that noise that's there, if you can hear it, doesn't change from when the pedal's on or off. But you can tune it with the pitch with these knobs, with the bit knob, with the resonance. Kind of changes the character. Again, I don't know if you can hear that, but another thing to note is this is a clean blend knob that doesn't change the sound, and neither does the effect volume. So I'm going to turn the volume on my bass down all the way and turn this on so you'll only hear the pedal. Actually, the sound is not there at all when the volume on my bass is down. Oh, it's because the effect volume is down. That's the pedal on full blast. And I would expect that to be loud. Usually I run it about here. First, you gotta turn my amp down a little bit because I can't play as hard as I want to. So the low end is there, which is cool. So that sounds pretty good. Mine is not really, the noise doesn't bother me at all, especially like when I'm playing. The only time you'll hear it is kind of like the issue with single coil pickups is you really only notice the hum when you're not playing. And this is about the same, really. I don't have complaints. So I just want to give a comparison. This is powered off just to one spot, plugged into the wall that's not noisy. And yeah, I'm just playing a 5-string warm-off jazz bass. Yeah, the sound does not change if you can even hear it from when the pedal's on or off. This is actually even quieter when I'm running all my other pedals, because I'm sure at least probably the Verbzilla or maybe the Line 6 DL4 has a buffer in it, and I run it before those two. I don't know. I would just guess it would, because I know at least one of those is a true bypass. I'm turning the video off now.